Welcome to the Smart Cards video tutorial on adding whole numbers. This is a quick refresher on how to add with and without regrouping, as well as how to estimate sums. There's a short quiz at the end of the tutorial to check your comprehension. So let's go ahead and get started. Let's briefly discuss place values. The U.S. uses a base 10 counting system, which means we count in groups of 10. Only the digits 0 through 9 are used to populate any place value. A place value identifies how many groups of 10 are in each place. For instance, the hundredths place value are 10 groups of 10. The thousands place value would be 10 groups of 100. Once a group of 10 is collected, a new place value is populated. Populating a new place value is related to addition. Let's look at this example. In this example, we have 6 groups of 100, 3 groups of 10, and 2 ones. Let's add 6 more ones. When we do that, we get the resulting number 6 groups of 100, 3 groups of 10, and 8 ones. This is the number 638. Let's look at this example. In this example, we have 6 groups of 100, 3 groups of 10, and 2 ones. Let's add on 9 more ones. When we do this, we get 11 ones. As previously discussed, whenever we collect a group of 10, we must populate another place value. So we take the group of 10 and we populate the 10's place value. Now instead of 3 groups of 10s, we have 4 groups of 10, and the resulting number is 6 groups of 100, 4 groups of 10s, and 1 1. This is the number 641. These two examples are illustrations of the two ways that we add. We either add without regrouping, which was the first example, which produced the answer 638, or we add with regrouping, which was the second example, which produced the answer 641. Here's the process for adding whole numbers. We want to match place values because we only add like place values. Hundreds to hundreds, thousands to thousands, millions to millions. We also want to always add vertically and not horizontally. Adding vertically makes it much easier to match the place values. We always start adding in the ones place, whether or not we have to regroup. And for sums larger than 9, we always have to populate a new place value. Populating a new place value is known formally as regrouping and informally as carrying. Let's look at this example. 11 plus 16. This problem is written vertically, the place values are matched up, and we're going to start adding in the ones place. 1 and 6 is 7, 1 and 1 is 2. 11 plus 16 is 27. This is known as adding without regrouping. Let's look at this example. 11 plus 19. This problem is written vertically, the place values are matched up, and we're going to start adding in the ones place. 1 and 9 is 10. Remember, no place value can have a digit larger than 9, so that means we have to regroup the 10. When we look at the number 10, the 0 is written in the ones place, so in the answer we're going to write 0 in the ones place. Then we're going to carry that one group of 10 to its corresponding and appropriate place value in the tens place. Then we're going to add 1 plus 1 plus 1 to get 3. 11 plus 19 is 30. This is adding with regrouping. 508 plus 91. This problem is written vertically and the place values are matched up. Let's start adding in the ones place. 8 plus 1 is 9, 0 plus 9 is 9, and we bring down the 5. 599. This is adding without regrouping. 737 plus 648. This problem is written vertically and the place values are matched up. So let's start adding in the ones place. 7 plus 8 is 15. No place value can have a digit larger than 9, so 15 has to be regrouped. We'll take the 5 and write it in the ones place, and we'll carry that one group of 10 to its appropriate place value, which is the tens place. We'll add 1 plus 3 plus 4 and get 8. Let's go on to the hundredths place. 7 plus 6 is 13. 13 has to be regrouped. we'll write the three groups of hundred in the hundreds place, and we'll take that one group of thousand and carry it to its appropriate place, which is the thousands place, and simply bring the one down. 737 plus 648 is 1,385. This is adding with regrouping. Estimating sums by rounding. We estimate sums by rounding when we don't have access to pencil and paper or a calculator to find out the exact answer. Freddie has 3 jobs. He gets paid by direct deposit every Friday from each job. After his check is deposited, he receives a text message alert from his bank indicating the payment amount. On this particular Friday, Freddie receives 3 text messages from his bank. The first informs him that a deposit of $472 has been made. The second message informs him that a deposit of $308 has been made. And the last informs him that a deposit of $290 has been made. Estimate the total deposit of all 3 checks. We're going to take $472, $308, and $290, and we're going to round them to the largest place value, which would be the hundredths place. So $472 will go to $500. $308 will be rounded to $300, and $290 will be rounded to $300. Then we're going to add $500 plus $300 plus $300 to get an estimated total deposit of $1,100. The exact answer is $1,070. So with this example, we're only off by $30. Here's a quick quiz to check your comprehension. Pause the video right here and take a few minutes to complete these 7 problems. You'll find the answers to these 7 problems in the description box. Pick up your copy of Adding Whole Numbers. Send an email to smartcardsquestions@yahoo.com and we'll send you a downloadable copy of this instructional resource. It's going to contain instruction and examples on rounding, adding, estimating, and a few extra tidbits to enhance your adding skills. Start your GED test journey today with Smart Cards. Good luck, and don't forget to click the subscribe button below to subscribe to our channel.